A very good morning, sir, and everyone who's present. So we have built this website, which is on blood donation. So the team members of this website are Kantharia Ria, Patel Janvi, and Umrika Nihal. If you could do the next slide, please. Okay, so the basic outline of the PPT is the abstract of problem statement, aims, objectives, and the proposed solution that we have. The system design and architecture, algorithm and development, the conclusion and the future scope, references of how we have built this website, and the video of the project. Next slide. So this is the abstract. So by implementing the blood bank and donation management system, the blood banks and donation centers can significantly enhance operational efficiency, reduce weightage, and minimize errors, which can be made by the people. However, when we have a system which is so robust, it is not possible. Moreover, it ensures the compliance with regularity standards and best practices, ultimately improving the overall quality and safety of blood products. This system facilitates seamless coordination between donors, recipients, and healthcare providers, fostering a more efficient and reliable blood transfusion service. Next slide. So this was the problem statement that we had come up with, checking out the research and everything, the scarcity of red blood groups, personal profile accessibility. So people do not have a personal profile of their blood. Lost or damaged cards. So if they did have a card in the past, they have lost it or either damaged it. So that becomes a problem. Unavailability of blood during emergency. So when there is an emergency, people are not able to get a hold of the blood that they need, which is a huge problem. And that's due to the lack of blood during operations, less awareness among people about blood donation and blood transfusion. So this project is a high quality software to manage all these cumbersome jobs. It is a waste of time to go to blood banks if the blood of the particular group is not available, and most of the users have to wait in a long queue. Next slide. So this was the aim of our website, of why we had come up with this idea to build this website, to establish a user-friendly blood donation website that promotes voluntary blood donation, facilitates seamless coordination between donors and recipients, and as I mentioned before, enhances the overall quality and safety of blood products. So most of the people are not as tech savvy as everyone else, so they do need a website which is very seamless and which can be accessed easily. So that was the basic motive behind building this website. And the objective we had in mind was to increase awareness about the importance of blood donation, provide a user-friendly platform for donors, implement a robust quality control measures, faster community engagement and collaboration, so we can get in hold of people who have the same blood group easier and faster. The main intent of this software to formal procedure of blood donations and a motive donors in order to donate blood. Next slide. So now the proposed solution that we have brought forward is that the interactive interface for a blood bank. So as I mentioned before, not everyone is tech savvy. They do not know how to really use the websites, which are a bit modern. So we had built a very simple website, stores the collected data, notifications to the donors, emergency situation notifications. So if there is, for example, someone who needs the type of blood that you have, you will receive instant notification, which will come to your mobile phone. Develop a user-friendly blood donation website. Yeah. Next slide. So this is the architecture. As you can see, the user will be on their web browser. They will send an HTTP request, which is going to go to the web server, and it is going to search through the web container where the servlet is going to send the data to the database, and which is going to be vice versa. So the database will again send an HTTP response to the user's browser, so the user can access the data. Next slide. This is the algorithm and development of the website. So as you can see, we have asked for the donors' age, address, their gender, name, and their IDs, and the type of blood they have, what kind of blood that will be best for them. And moreover, next website. Ria, can you share the website? So this is the blood donation website that we have built. As you can see, it's a very simple and user-friendly website. So if you could scroll, please. Yep. So this is the starting where you have donate your blood and inspire to others, where you can we had a motive of promoting blood donation throughout people. If you could scroll, yep. So this is a basic slider that we had put in. So this is basic information about the website and what kind of work that we do have going on. If you could scroll, yep. This is the donation process. First, you have registration, screening, donation, and you get a healthy refreshment at the end. So these are the amount of happy recipients, donors, and the total awards that we have received throughout the timeline. So yeah, if you could scroll. So over here you have a request appointment form. So in here, if you add your name, your email, your phone number, and the donation center which you would like to choose, and the date and time of your preference appointment. And if you have some special requirements, you can just add your message and you can book the appointment straight from your comfort of your home. These are some feedbacks that we have received. Yep. If you could keep scrolling. So these are the volunteers. So we had put in our names. Yep. Keep scrolling. Yep. So these are the donation campaigns that we have ran in the past. These are some basic information. So yeah, every year on the 14th June, celebrate World Blood Donor Day. If you could scroll more. So this is the photo gallery where you could see some photos of the campaigns we had held. Just keep scrolling. These are some photos from a recent blog that we had. Yep. If you could keep scrolling. These are the ways you can contact us personally by going through the email addresses, and we have our address also mentioned. If you could go and contact. So yeah, these are the ways you can contact us. You can fill out this form and you can directly reach us. So yeah, thank you. This would be it. Okay, so this is the conclusion that we have. The blood donation website serves as a crucial platform for connecting donors with recipients and facilitating life-saving donations and promoting community engagement by providing intrusive interfaces, efficient scheduling, and robust safety measures. The website plays a vital role in enhancing blood donation processes, improving healthcare outcomes, and ultimately saving lives. So, as the basic outline of the whole website and the purpose is that we would like to save the lives of many people um, via blood donation and making it a very seamless process so that people can really have a good community interaction with everyone and they can save lives of themselves and others. Next. So this is the future scope. Blood donation websites can help connect donors and doctors so that patients can receive blood in a timely manner. So as I mentioned before, saving lives of many people. Donors can search for this website, only accessible to use registered members, sending emergency short messages to the donors who are ready to donate, embedded with hospitals so patients can easily find blood, automatically sending SMS notifications to potential donors near a blood drive or in need of a specific blood type. Next. So these are the references that we had used to build this website. Yeah, next. This is the video of the website. Okay, so that would be it for our presentation. Thank you very much.